Alright, today we're going to replace a battery on a Asus ROG GL752VW. I'm not a professional at this, but you shouldn't have to be a professional to replace a battery. And unfortunately, this specific model of laptop, the battery is inside, and you have to go inside and get it out. So it's going to be a little situation where you're going to I'll have to remove some ribbon cables and some screws, but it should be doable. I did went ahead and ordered the battery. I haven't even opened it yet, so let me just get this open real quick. I'm surprised they didn't ship this in a box. I don't want this to get damaged at all during shipping. Oh, my phone's ringing. Hold on just a second. Let me this call. We'll get this open here. Looks fine to me. Caution. Now we just ordered this off the auction house, famous auction house, and it was $20, so that was a good deal for this battery. And it looks fine. Alright, let me switch cameras here and we'll go ahead and get this battery installed. Alright, so the battery that I ordered, it is a 2100 milliamp battery. And the battery that I pulled out of the laptop is rated at it says here this one is a 3100 milliamp. So I'm losing what did I say, 2200? Did I say 2200? Yeah, it was a 2200 milliamp. And so I went from 31 and I lose 900 milliamp. I'm sure the laptop isn't going to last as long as this Asus branded battery. It was more expensive. I could have ordered this one, but it was double the cost. So I opted to go with the cheaper one because I'm probably going to have this plugged in most of the time anyway. And I did do a test today. So I went to Starbucks to upload a video and had it on continuously. And it was on for a good hour. And I say I lost about 40% battery power. So I would think that the 2200 milliamp battery would be good for watching videos. I think you'd be pushing it at 2 hours. So if you give yourself about 2 hours, give or take, and if you're satisfied with that, then the 2200 milliamp battery would be fine to replace in this laptop at a cost of $19 shipped. Or you can opt to get the 3200, and this was a 31, but they have a 3200 for double the price. I think it was $36. So your choice. Again, 2200 is perfect. Thank you. I would say that is a success. This time I didn't even manage to scratch anything. I did have to use some guitar picks. I used the firmest ones. And it's charging. Batteries had half a charge already in it. So testing it, everything's fine. So if you have to replace yours, I would say on a scale from 1 to 10 on how easy it was pretty easy. A couple screws. And pry the deck. Just make sure you get all the screws before you start prying, or you might break or bend something. You don't want to do that. But yep, that was it. So scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the easiest, I would say right around 9.5, 9.5. Take care.